When it's time to reclaim your screens, removing the emulsion can be tough work, especially if you're using harsh cleaners with strong odors. That's why Franmar's Strippy-Doo Emulsion Remover is the best choice. Strippy-Doo has revolutionized the once unpleasant process of screen reclaiming. Its non-toxic and biodegradable formula works on all types of emulsions and capillary films, and won't weaken your screen mesh or frame glue. Strippy-Doo is low odor, meaning you won't have to deal with harsh smells that traditional cleaners have. It even contains a built-in degreaser that doesn't require extra degreasing afterwards. Strippy-Doo has a shelf life of 6 to 9 months and will change color when it's no longer active. Let's quickly run through the emulsion removal process using Strippy-Doo. Before you begin, make sure to wet the screen you're reclaiming. Then pour or spray a small amount of Strippy-Doo onto the screen. Scrub briefly with a dedicated scrub pad. Franmar recommends using our blue biggie pad for this step. Repeat on the other side of the screen and wait a moment for Strippy-Doo to work. Make sure to not allow Strippy-Doo to dry on the screen. After a moment, rinse both sides clean with water, making sure to spray under the top edge of the frame to fully remove any emulsion or product. Be sure to rinse out your scrub pad in order to keep the emulsion from hardening. Franmar's Strippy-Doo makes reclaiming screens easy. Strippy-Doo is available in quarts, gallons, and 5-gallon head pack sizes for easy refilling. It also comes in a concentrated formula that can be diluted 1:19 with water. You can order Strippy-Doo on Franmar.com or through one of our dealers. Go to franmar.com/find-a-dealer to find the closest one near you. Thanks for watching. Click on this video to learn more about Franmar's Dehaze Haze Remover, the next step in the screen reclamation process.